Alright, welcome everyone. I'd say this needs no introduction. This is, of course, Optimus Prime. This one is actually one of the original Optimus Primes. It literally, this was a Christmas or birthday present. I can't remember which one, but it came wrapped. I do remember that. I think I got him and Megatron together. This one was actually stored in robot form, so it's a little more, and I think this one got played with a lot more than the one I'm about to show you. But the joints are much more worn in and much more flexible and movable. Like I say, this was the original, and because you can see here where my newer one has the thermoreactive sticker, and I'm not sure if this one's actually working. I got surprised the other day when, was it Hot Rods it worked? It wants to work. It may be changing too fast for the. Let's see, come on. And my hands may be too cold for it to work too, but it's trying to work. Pressure and heat does that. But this is the new one. I still haven't found either their hands or the gun. But I do have two of the trailers. This one actually has all the stuff in it, or most of the stuff. This one, I got two of the cars. I can't remember whether the purple one came with the new one or the. It seems like this is more. This is, if I can get this one. Oof, that's nerve-wracking. This one had the subtle differences was, this one had silver there and this one black. And of course I've lost the repair drone or whatever this thing is supposed to be. Sort of didn't really fit with they included this, but they never really, even in the cartoons, they didn't show this thing very often. When he transformed, it went away. The spring in that one actually works really good. This one's sort of can't quite make it out the end, but I did break off one of the elevators over here on this one, so I'm gonna have to get some of that UV reactive glue resin stuff to repair it. I'll just probably repair it in place. I'm tentatively sort of coming up with a plan in my mind what I'm gonna do with this stuff. I'm thinking I may get, since I've got a lot of the pieces, I just don't have, I've lost a lot of the little pieces over the years. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to start trying to find the pieces that I don't have to replace and make full sets again. Just sort of bring them together just for my own personal use. I think, Optimus is, of course, always one of the favorites. Okay, this one had stickers on the side too. I don't know if that. Yeah, they must. Well, maybe I just lost that. Yeah, I can see the glue residue where that used to be a sticker there. As I say, you can tell this one's definitely got the wear and tear of something that was played with a lot. Even the faces are in focus. Can't get in the light, but this one. Like I say, you can see he was well used, and this one probably, like I say, he probably came a few years later and just didn't get. I think, I won't say I had to do this mail order. I think they had actually quit selling Optimus in the stores, and they offered it up through mail order. You could buy Megatron and Optimus Prime for something, and they've shipped it to you, and I'm pretty sure that's how I ended up with the second one. That seemed right. Maybe it was one of those deals where you had to collect the robot points and send them in or something. But you still had to pay for the actual product in addition to showing that you were a loyal customer. But I'm saying this one was stored in truck form, so it's really nerve-wracking to transform it because that plastic feels. Use head first before I even try to. I'm liable to break it right here in person on camera. Oof, that just feels bad. I don't want to do it. So even his elbows aren't like, okay. This one, like I say, it was broken in, so I'm gonna. It does transform fairly well, which I don't understand this one's actually older, and like I said, probably there's more worn in. I lost a headlight too, I just noticed. And of course the smokestacks broke off and all the chrome's worn off of that one. Optimus was a big part of the, I remember I was a big GoBot guy. I still haven't, I've never understood why they made his legs move backwards but not forwards, because that doesn't even really help with the transformation. But and then I'm like everybody else. As the Transformers came out, the GoBot sort of slowly went off to the wayside. But anyway, that was Optimus Prime. I've got an idea for. Even that feels bad. Huh? I've got a theme in mind for the rest of the week, which once you see the first video tomorrow, the more observant of you are going to absolutely figure out the theme for the rest of the week. So I hope you enjoy it. It's all going to be work towards, I'd say, a giant conclusion. So with that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going. Bye.